Hello! Hello, builder! Let's build some bricks! Welcome to KikoTown! Well, as a matter of fact, welcome to the foundation of what will be the KikoTown. This will be the big project of this channel, to build the entire Lego town. And stay tuned, because I will need your help to do it. I will need your suggestions of Lego sets that you would like to see here, and I hope that we can build it together. To start our construction works, I present to you the construction site. This is a Lego City set with 5 minifigures and 898 pieces. It is a quite large set and it will be the beginning of all. It will be the first set on this town. It is divided in 4 structures: an excavator, a truck, a crane and a building with an elevator platform. First of all, let's build the excavator. This set has a lot of missing pieces, but don't worry, because we can find replacements for them all, and I will guide you through it with a speed building. At this point we have our first missing brick. It is a inch brick 2x2 locking with 1 finger vertical and axle hole. Whoa, long name. Well, this piece is available in the master library. You just have to look for it in the hinge section. And here we have some vinyls that I ignored, but you have at least one of them in the master library. Second on our building is the transportation truck. Yep, I forgot to put the cap on the guy. Plates, license plates. They will be a problem. You may see a lot of 7815 plates out there. Well, it is, I believe, the best fit that we have available on the master library. For this vinyl, you can use any of the 1x2 bricks with vinyl in the master library and complete it with a brick 1x1 each side. However, I decided to use a transport vinyl brick that I believe it suits in. For the roof, I didn't give it a big thought. I don't think it's that much important, as you only see if you're in a helicopter or in a high building, so I just put the blank piece. This big part is also missing on our list of material, but it is available on the master library in the section Train. Within Vehicle Land, it is a train base. Next, we have the elevator platform and the first building of our town. One more missing brick is that one 1x6 with shop inscription. Well, we don't have a shop, but we have a store, and I'm going for it. And that's it, we reached the end for today. I will leave the fourth and last part for the next video. It will be the crane, and it will be a challenging building. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you won't miss it. And as usual, there will be a surprise animation that I prepared just for you. I hope you liked this video, and that you check out my other videos, and please leave a like to support my channel. I have a ton to build now, and I will need your support. Let's build some bricks! See ya!